In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the area in AutoCAD. We'll walk through two straightforward approaches. First, how to read the area of a closed shape directly from its properties, and second, how to manually measure an area by clicking around its corners. Both methods are reliable and quick once you know where to look. Start by selecting the shape or polyline you want to measure. With it highlighted, type prop and press Enter. This opens the Properties palette for the selected object. AutoCAD lists a range of details here, and the key one we need is area. If the object is a single, closed polyline, you'll see its area displayed clearly in the Geometry section. This readout reflects your current drawing units, so the number corresponds directly to whatever units your project is using. If you don't immediately see the number, make sure the selection is indeed a closed polyline. Only closed, connected boundaries will report an area in Properties. If the object isn't a polyline, or if it's not connected as a single closed boundary, you can still measure it by outlining the shape yourself. To do that, type area and press Enter. AutoCAD now waits for you to define the boundary by picking points. Using your mouse, click carefully on each corner of the shape, moving around its perimeter in order. Take your time to place each point accurately so your measurement reflects the true boundary. When you reach the final corner, press Enter to complete the outline. After you finish, press F2. This opens the Extended Command History window, where AutoCAD shows the calculated area. You'll also see the perimeter value for the outline you just created. These results are again shown in your drawing's current units, which makes them easy to interpret and use in your calculations or annotations. If you need to take note of the numbers, this window is a convenient place to copy them from. That's all there is to it. When your shape is a closed polyline, use the Properties palette for an instant readout. When it isn't, use the Area command to click around the corners and let AutoCAD do the math. With these two methods, you can quickly verify floor areas, site boundaries, and any custom shapes you encounter. Practice them a few times, and you'll find calculating area becomes a natural part of your drafting workflow.